In modern road maintenance management, a real-time situational picture is crucial because it allows for timely and informed decision-making, enhances safety, and improves resource allocation. Roadscanners Road Doctor Maintenance Controller RDMC presents a low-cost, fully automatized, and efficient road condition data collection and analysis system. It collects different road condition parameters from the road or streets while driving and sends the results with a few-second delay to the Road Data Center cloud service, allowing real-time data view of results. Our RDMC system can be used on both paved and gravel roads, and it has also been used to monitor road condition during the winter. By having up-to-date information on road conditions, maintenance teams can quickly identify and address issues, minimize disruptions, and ensure that maintenance measures conducted efficiently and on correct places. This leads to better maintained roads, reduced costs, and a safer and smoother driving experience for the public. Visit roadscanners.com for more information.